my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Audi A3 Saloon Black Edition S Tronic, finished in the striking Navarra Blue paintwork. This 2024 model comes with a TDI engine and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include LED headlights for great visibility, large 19-inch alloy wheels, electric folding wing mirrors, and front and rear parking sensors paired with a reversing camera for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric tailgate revealing a spacious 425-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials. Moving into the rear, you'll find a luxurious full leather trim with a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders. The front houses the flat-bottomed leather multifunctional sports steering wheel and a dynamic dashboard with a central touch display and S-embossed front full leather sport seats. Both the front and rear consist of 6 Bang & Olufsen premium sound speakers. The A3 also features light-up S badging on the door sill. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across the central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. You can also adjust the car's internal and external lighting. You can even access Audi Drive Select, offering a range of driving modes to suit you. You can also access the reversing camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Just below, the dual zone climate control offers a personalised temperature with optional heated front seats. This is alongside the central cup holders and central armrest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.